Hey, who says don't buy a car when a mechanic's owned it? Most people, I get that, to be fair, but not this guy, not this guy. So what I like to do is look after my car. And I was on a live last night, and they asked me to take my pollen filter out, and I did. And I checked the date, and it was last year, so it was due one, and it did look a bit fusty. So I'm going to do one now, brand new, on camera, just so you guys can see me look after my car. So I'll flip the camera around, and I'll fit a pollen filter for you. We'll get a zoom out so you can see what I can see. So I've got a shiny new pollen filter. There's the part number. This is a Mark 8.5 Golf, by the way, guys. So that's your part number. And just to show, I did actually buy it, look. See? So let's fit said pollen filter. So in these Mark 8.5 Golfs, in fact, in most Golfs, it's behind the glove box. There's a couple of little, if you didn't know, there's a little plastic tab there. And there's a little plastic tab there. You pull them. Just do it gently. Don't want to break out, do it. Any glove box will come down. Everything fall out of your glove box. And we're pretty much in at the pollen filter. So there's a little tab just here. Just press it down. Little tab just there. Little tab just there. And then that comes out. And if you didn't know, guys, there's a little hook on the end just here, look. So you don't have to use this. Most people just stick the finger in like that and pull it out. Yeah, that's easy. But if you want to use the little thing, you just pop it out like that, look. Huh? Anyway, that's a little bit of useless information for you. That little thing just on the end there is a little hook to pull out your fusty pollen filter. Where's the date on mine? There we go. Look. It's a genuine filter, 2025. And here's my new filter. So I'm going to unbag it now on camera for you. You can see me do it all. I'm not trying to drag the video out, guys. I'm just showing you the importance of servicing everything. It don't matter who you are either. Get it serviced. There we go, look. May 2026. Brand new. Brand fire new. Slot that in. Slot that in. Make sure it's fitted at home. Get your cover. Fit it into its slots. Click. 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 Sweet. And now we can lift the glove box up. We've just got to poke that little rod in, look. So that just there. If you get it lined up, like, you can do it one-handed. It slots in. Clicks together. Boom. Get me service book. Get me bear grips. Got other bear grips. Job is a good one. And that's it. Done. One pollen filter done. Here's my old one. So it's not the worst I've ever seen, but I'm very particular about my car. And I've neglected that one, to be fair. So there we go. I can breathe some fresh air again now, guys. So that's it. As quick as we did. It wasn't amazingly fast, was it? But I'm obviously not speed running it. I just want to show you that I do take care of my car, and you guys should take care of your cars too, because this little lovely filters out the air that you breathe inside your vehicle. Yeah, and these can get all stale, all nasty, and they can stink, as well as servicing your aircon system. But that's another video for another day. So I'm gonna leave that there for you guys. There you go, pollen filter job done, bought and paid for and fitted by myself, the VW mechanic. So have a great night, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.